Good morning, my dear students. Let's continue the chapter third, more features of Word 2016. Okay, so today we will going to discuss about the page orientation. Okay, page orientation is the page layout in which a document is displayed or printed. Okay, it is a page layout in which a document is displayed or printed. Portrait orientation display the page very vertically and the document is printed lengthwise. Okay, portrait orientation a display the page vertically and the document is printed lengthwise. Getting? Now landscape orientation display the page horizontally and the document is printed widthwise. Okay. Now by default, Word display a document in portrait orientation. Getting? To change the page orientation, what you need to do? You need to go to the page layout tab, then page setup group, then click to the orientation button. Then a drop down list will appear into your screen. Next, what you need to do? Click either portrait or landscape option. Okay, so that Word display the page according to the selected orientation. Okay, this is about the page orientation. Now let's see about the page size. Okay, Word 2016 offers a variety of predefined page sizes to choose from. Okay, it is offering a variety of predefined page sizes to choose from. By default, Word uses A4 size paper. Okay, by default it uses A4 size paper. To change the page setup, what you need to do? To set page of a document, you need to first go to the page layout tab, then in the page setup group, then click to the size button. So what will happen? A drop down list will appear which display a list of predefined page sizes. Next, what you need to do? Click the page size you want to use, so that Word applies the selected page size to the document and adjust the text accordingly. Okay, this is how we can set the page size, okay, according to our need or requirement. Now let's see about the page background. Okay, Word 2016 offers page background option to make your document visually interesting. Okay, this 2016 it offers page background options to make your documents visually interesting. You can add a color or a border to pages in a document. Okay, you can add a color or a border to the pages in a document. To add a color to a page, what all the things you need to do? Let's see. First, on the design tab in the page background group, click the page color button. Okay, then a menu will appear and display swatches of various color. Okay, so what you need to do? Next, click a color swatch in the theme color or standard color palette. Palette in the sense a board where a painter can mix the color. Okay, Word applies the selected background color to all pages in the document. This is how you can change the page backgrounds. Okay, now how to do the border? To add borders to a page, on the design tab in the page background group, click the page border button. Okay, now next what you need to do? The border and shading dialog box opens with the page border tab selected. Okay, the border and shading dialog box opens with the page border tab selected. Now next is in the settings section, click the type of border you want to apply to the document. Okay, what you need to do? Simply you go to the settings section and click the type of border you want to apply to the document. Now select the border style, color and width from the style. Okay, what you need to do? Select the border style, color and width from the style, color and width list boxes respectively. You can also select a predefined artistic border style from the art list box. You can also select a predefined artistic border style from the art list box. Word display a sample of the selected border option in the preview section. Word it display a sample of the selected border option in the preview section. Now what you need to do next? Click on the OK button. So Word will apply the selected border to all the pages in the document. Okay. Now let's see about printing a document. Okay. Word 2016 offers print option to preview the document and take a hard copy of it. Okay. The Word 2016, it offers print option to preview the document and take a hard copy of it. You need a printer connected to the computer to take a printout. Okay. To take a printout, what you need to do? Click the file tab, then the backstage view appears. Okay, now what you need to do? Simply click print. So the print page appears. Okay, it display a preview of the document on the right side. So it provides option for printing the document on the left side. Getting? Now click the arrow to preview different pages in the document. Okay, now draw the zoom slider to increase and decrease the page view area. Okay, after that, under printer, select a printer from the list of installed printers. Okay, so that you can take a printout. Now in the copies box, specify the number of copies you want to print. Okay, now under setting, what all the things are there under printer settings? Okay, click down arrow next to print all pages to open a list of page options. Okay, what you need to do? Click down the arrow next to print all pages to open a list of page option. Select print all pages to print the entire document, or else select print selection to print selected text in the document. Okay, select print current page to print the page that is currently shown in the preview pane. Getting? Now select custom print and in the pages boxes specify the page numbers, okay, or a range of pages number so that you want to print them. Okay, now select orientation and page size from the orientation and size box respectively. Okay, select any additional setting from the other drop down lists if needed. Okay, now click the print button so that the Word print the document as per the selected option. This is how you can print a document in the Word 2016. Okay, so here your chapter is over. Please go through the question answer and note it down. Okay, till then, take care.